All right. Right, guys. So we have Shubhangi Rana with us. She is a graduate from NIF Delhi Knitwear Design Department. So Shubhangi, which year you graduated?
I graduated in 2018.
All right. So in 2018, you have graduated in knitwear design. So
Right.
while going for knitwear design, what was in your mind? So why did you opt for knitwear design?
So I honestly, I did not really know. As you know, I asked you a lot of questions at that time, and I was very confused as to what knitwear design was. But I honestly, I had a senior in knitwear design, so she had told me that there's a lot of scope for other things such as graphic design and you know visual merchandising and other like very small aspects of fashion which you can take up in the future.
So
So
Shubhangi, currently in which sector you are working as?
right now working in a very different sector. I'm working as a graphic and UI designer at a company called Noise. So they basically create consumer electronics, and I'm working as I work on their website, and I work on things like digital marketing and things like that.
All right. So you wanted to get into the field of graphics and UI, or you have gone because it has much of scope, and also NIFT has taught you the graphic side of the.
Right. So I did always want to go into graphics. That's, I think, by the second year, I had realized that I am not made for fashion, hardcore fashion. And I wanted to get into more digital work and graphic work because I was good at it. And I always presented my work better than it actually was. So that's why I realized that that's my forte. And that's how I slowly and gradually got into it. And now I'm mainstream into that field.
So now you are in graphics, but suppose you have to get back into the field of fashion. You are all
Yeah,
set for that also.
I'm all set for that. I think the education that I've had has been very wholesome, and it has taught me about fashion as well as graphics, as well as
So,
it taps into basically everything.
so Shubhangi, tell me one thing that knitwear is
Yeah,
more fashion, knitwear is more styling, or knitwear is more graphics?
knitwear is mainly fashion because we look at sorry, we look at the fashion aspect of the knits industry. So that includes shirts, socks, and basically a lot of common things that we all wear every day. And not many people know that when people think about knitwear, when they listen to the word knitwear, they think, oh, it's knitting, it's wool, it's warm. Not that. When you get into it, you realize that it's a very big part of the fashion industry.
All right. I think there is some problem in your network. Uh, the
Oh,
your video is not visible properly. Yes. Uh, can
all right.
you all can hear me properly, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Shubhangi, what you can do that you can log out and log in again. So I think it will help you
All right.
because you are not neither visible not audible. आप लोग सबको ये प्रॉब्लम हो रही है शुभांगी मैम के वीडियो
All
के
right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
so you can just log in
I'll just
so you can log out and log in again and I think it will be the solution. Okay guys, so till the time she will be back. So she has done a lot of project in graphics, she has done a lot of project in packaging, she has done a lot of project in UI UX. So you will ultimately, so the purpose of bringing Shubhangi here is to show that in knitwear design, it's the combination of fashion, graphics a lot, and definitely one most important thing is styling, in which you have to work a lot in styling also. So these are the main fortes. So if you want to get into the field of fashion and you are not getting fashion, definitely knitwear is one career option where you will get a lot to learn in fashion, but you will be surely restricted to the field of knitted fashion. So knitwear will be the base. The fabric we'll be using will be mostly knitwear. So you from learning from how to make the knitted yarn to yarn fabric, and then from that fabric how to make the garments and all sorts of garment. That is one very important thing. Now, when we talk about garments, we generally do the garments. The option we get will be sportswear, gym wear, swimwear, and intimates wear. So these are the major option you will be getting in the field of knitwear design. And if we talk about that, whether we get the option of uh, okay. All right. So Shubhangi is here again.
Hi, sorry guys. Can you hear me properly now?
Yes.
All right.
Yes, you are here and you are now audible and visible. So Shubhangi, tell me that when we talk about fashion, what kind of fashion we are talking in knitwear? How different it is from fashion design? Everyone has this
So,
question.
right. So fashion design, you basically learn about haute couture, and you you learn about things like mainstream fashion, things like that. But in knitwear design, the difference is that you learn about many different styles, street style, and then there's a lot of other styles that you learn about. And also you learn about fast fashion more in knitwear design. So you learn more about retail, buying, merchandising, and things like that.
So
Fashion design,
can
I
you
will.
explain the difference between the street fashion and fast fashion?
So street fashion and fast fashion, there's not really difference. I think street fashion is a part of fast fashion, and fast fashion is mainly your mainstream fashion. Um, so you learn about trends, you don't learn about forecasting. It's not very different in fashion design. I'm not very sure about that department, but it's, I think it's more to do with technicality and more to do with the technical aspect of fashion in fashion design, whereas in knits you learn more about obviously the the knitwear garments and knitted garments, but it includes a lot of different aspects of the fashion industry as well.
All right. So when we talk about the core thing, so what is the percentage of garment construction and pattern making, which is the core of fashion design in knitwear
Right.
design?
So
If we taught
fashion
all these things.
construction, yeah, fashion construction and garment construction and pattern making is a very big part of the course. So all 3 years you're studying that course that goes to 2 subjects, and it's a very big part of your total overall CGPA.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So like if a student has gone into the field of knitwear design,
Yeah.
what is the chance? So will you be given the option to get into, like, what all options you will be getting in the field of fashion? What all options? Like you will be taught that, okay, whether it will be you who will decide that,
अच्छा अच्छा सुमित
whether it will be you who will decide that in which area of fashion you will be going, or it will be the college will be helping you and guiding you that you should get into gym wear, swimwear, men's like whatever the fast fashion or
Right.
intimate wears. It will be college who will be deciding, or it will be you who will be deciding this.
So it will be you who will be deciding this, because in the GC, especially in the GC subject, you have all these different, like you just mentioned, swimwear, sportswear, sleepwear, lingerie. All of these come into knits, under knits, and all of these are taught to you.
All right.
Then
So,
after which you decide on your own.
okay. So tell me one more thing, that suppose I'm going for knitwear design,
Yeah.
and if a student wants to go for fashion design, will be totally different, or it will be something overlapping, and a student can also be a fashion designer, like you have gone into UI and UX. So
Yeah.
suppose a student want to get into the field of fashion, the final question, whether knitwear will help him or her to achieve the goal what he wanted to do in the fashion design, or it will be totally different.
Yeah, I think it's definitely it will help, definitely, because fashion is, I think, the main area of knitwear, so it will help, and it does overlap. The two departments do overlap. Yeah.
Okay, departments overlap. So what was the role of graphics, how important it was in knitwear, and what was the role of styling and photography?
Right. So styling and photography, I think, is a major part, because all the assignments, all the juries, they require you to make your own documents from scratch. You cannot, I mean, it's not very appreciated if you take things out of the internet, and so when you make things from scratch, you take your own photographs, you style your own models, and you put them together in a document. And it's a very important part, because lots of people, lots of my own friends have gone into styling mainstream after knitwear. So if that's your forte, I just feel that whatever your forte is, you can anyway keep building it up, and anyway keep practicing it while you are studying for knitwear. So same
Right.
goes for graphics. um, like I said, when you make your own documents, when you make your own presentations, it's all like Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign are a big part of the second year of the first year of knitwear design. So yeah, and of course all of this is carried forward from the foundation program, which happens. So
Okay, Shubhangi, so when you go for your graduation project,
yeah.
so will you be free to choose, like in the fourth year, will you be free to choose that, yes, I want to, like you have decided, I want to get into the field of fashion, I want to get into the field of sportswear, gym wear. So
Hmm.
when you do your graduation project, you are free to choose between all these varieties of work like fashion, knits, graphics, styling. You can do your graduation project in any of these fields.
Yes, you can do your graduation project in any of these fields, but you have to be able to justify it towards knits. So, for example, if you want to do menswear, you have to be able to say that, okay, I'm doing knits in menswear.
Okay.
And yeah, things like that. And also same goes for graphic. Even if you want to do graphic design, it has to be something to do with
Which
the
are the major
department.
companies in the field of knits or knitted fashion who comes and take the student for job or internship or graduation project? Which are
So
the
there
big companies?
there are many. There for graduation project, when I was studying, it was Arvind, it was Impulse, which is a buying house, it was Shoppers Stop. Then there was Madura as well. So I think knits are a big part of every export house as well,
All
which
right.
not many people know. So yeah.
Okay. All right.
Sorry.
So, like when we talk about internships,
Hmm.
so a lot of students say that uh, in the field of knitwear, we haven't like दिल्ली के अंदर बहुत कम कंपनीज होती है और बाहर काम करने के लिए जाना होता है. Is it true that there are few companies in Delhi NCR and a lot of company is in Punjab,
That's
Karnataka,
not
Tamil
true.
Nadu?
For knitwear, yeah, Ludhiana is the hub, like they say, and so is Tirupur. But I'm sure if you look around well enough, and also it's not just. So if we talk about Tirupur and Ludhiana, it's all about export houses and buying houses. But you can work for like anyone. You can work for a designer also who stays in Delhi, and work for their knitwear collection, or make a knitwear collection for them. You have to be able to justify to them as well
All
what
right.
you've done. Yeah.
Okay, so I have also seen in like my batchmates who are my batchmate 2009 graduates,
Hmm.
half of them are working as a graphic designer, as a stylist, and
Hmm.
they are really working good. They are actually working in a very senior position, but like अपनी company के बहुत high positions पे, and they are
And-
like they heading the graphic design side of the fashion field. So even
right.
I think that if we are going for knitwear design, knitwear design is not only restricted like the first thing which comes in mind when we hear leather is that हम leather के साथ काम कर रहे होंगे
Yeah.
और knitwear जब सुनते तो लगता है कि बस
Sweaters.
वो बुन रहे होंगे स्वेटर बुन रहे
हाँ.
होंगे और अभी तक जितनी आपसे मेरी बात हुई अभी तक आपने वुलन का नाम तक नहीं लिया
No.
सो
So basically, any material can be knitted or woven, right? So that's what we have to keep in mind.
yeah
Yeah.
because as I remember that even we have done yarn
Yeah.
like we also know how to एक स्वेटर बुनना है कैसे वो मुझे भी आता है
Hmm.
और टेक्सटाइल वाले भी करते हैं फैशन वाले भी करते हैं सो आई थिंक when it comes to fashion nothing is restricted
Yeah.
fashion is an industry is open industry and the only difference between knitwear fashion and leather is that you will be specializing majors in that particular fabric but you will be learning everything related with fashion correct
Right. Correct. Correct.
like I have already covered most of the department, like all the department. Today is the last day when we are covering the network design.
Yeah.
One thing I have understood that if you are in NIFT, you will be learning everything. You will be a complete package.
Very true.
Do you also believe that?
I do believe that. I feel that, uh, especially the foundation year, I feel has been a very integral part because you are mixed in one batch. All of you are together. There's someone from textile, there's someone from fashion, and then suddenly you break apart into your departments, but you still have that connect. You still have that connect with those people for those 4 years. So that helps a lot. You begin to see what they're doing. You get in touch with them after college, and you get many opportunities that way. Your networking is a very big part of the
And
fashion
yes, I
industry.
think that in NIFT, one of the major plus point of an IFT is the networking.
Yeah.
That NIFT has a huge chain of the alumni who are working in one of the biggest, all the big companies in the higher position. And when we go for like job interviews, when we go for the like internship, we definitely get a good support from them.
Right. Yeah, definitely.
uh, how important is to know, like I'm a textile designer. I know that sketching was not the integral part of textile, but yes, painting was.
Yeah.
uh, we used to make a lot of prints दिन भर
Yeah.
colors के साथ खेलते थे. So how important for a student is to understand that knitwear needs a lot of sketching because you have to make fashion illustration. So
It is a very big part. You need to be very good with your human figures, because all 3 years, as I remember, there was a subject called fashion illustration,
Mhm.
and we had to make at least like 100 illustrations a day. So I'm not trying to scare anyone, but yeah.
Yeah. So yes, I know the faculties in knitwear are so strict.
Yeah.
तो एक छोटा सा mistake भी नहीं accept करते थे. So ultimately, so yes, I have seen that all my friends who have graduated from knitwear, few of them are were graduate, like उनका graduation project देख के लगता था कि ये तो graphic design में graduate हो रहा है, ये fashion design में graduate हो रहा है, ये
हाँ.
swim में हो रही है, वो intimate wear में हो रही है. तो एक department में knitwear is the only department when you enter the graduation project arena, you feel that they all are from different department and not one department.
Right. Right.
So do you also feel that if you are getting into the field of knitwear, you will get a good time to understand and like first of all explore yourself that you want to get into the field of fashion, graphics, communication. So आपके पास इतना time होगा कि आप सोचोगे और आप regret नहीं करोगे.
हाँ, टाइम तो नहीं था, मतलब वो बहुत, because there's a lot of things happen very fast during your course, but once you're reaching the end, then you feel that okay, now I know what I'm going to do, because now I've studied everything as a whole, and that's when you start looking for jobs or opportunities in your relevant fields.
Okay, Shubhangi, you have done, now you are in the field of graphics. तो आपको क्या
Yeah.
लगता है कि जितना निफ्ट ने सिखाया उसके बाद आपको खुद से कितना एक्सप्लोर करना पड़ा अपने आप को और जो सीखना है?
मुझे बहुत काफी एक्सप्लोर करना पड़ा, because graphic design in itself is a very vast field, and it's not just, it does not stop at making documents or presentations or prints. So I did have to explore. I did take around 2 years to get to mainstream graphic design, but I slowly transitioned, but that transition really helped me learn a lot, because I was doing things related to textiles. I was doing things related to knitwear, and at the same time, I was doing my graphic work. So
Right.
I saw such opportunities where I could do all of them together and then decide.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So now after speaking with you for like last 20 minutes, I've understood that if we are going for knitwear design, I can be a fashion designer, I can be a knitwear designer, I can be a graphic designer, and I can be a very good stylist also.
Right.
Correct. So it's a very good career option. In fact, like I mean, आपसे ज़्यादा कौन जानता होगा कि knitwear design में सबसे ज़्यादा design circle के बच्चे होते हैं?
हाँ जी, ये तो पता है मुझे.
So like last year when I gone for the graduation project, like when I was in the class, I saw that 17 of the students are design circle students out of the
Yeah.
30. So faculty ने बोला था सुमित तुम ही अपना कर लो नाम. So yes. So things are good. So yes, Shubhangi, now coming to the work, I have to show the work what you have done in the college and now what you are doing in the industry. So first,
Right.
I want you to start showing the work, the type of illustration what you must have done in the college, and then we'll move ahead to show your Behance link and they can explore you better.
All right. I'll just share my screen.
तो guys, Shubhangi is a very serious student. अभी तक आपको समझ आ गया होगा. पहले भी नहीं हंसती थी, अब भी नहीं हंसती है. बहुत मुश्किल से हंसाना पड़ता है इसको. तो
Sir, I think you have disabled screen sharing.
when disabled, what I'll do that I'll make you the co-host, and
Yeah.
now you can share your
Yeah.
screen.
Can everybody see my screen?
Yes, we can.
So this is just some of my work. So during fashion illustration course, you had to go through something called stylized illustrations. So most of my fashion illustrations, you will think that they're very bizarre, but actually it's part of the course and it's part of, stylizing your illustrations. So this is basically just the mood boards, and these are the t-shirts that I had made. Tell me if I'm going too fast. These are the garments which I had made on Illustrator.
So आपने
So,
garment में किस चीज में specialization किया था शुभांगी?
So मैंने menswear में किया था in Shoppers Stop, but this is my fashion illustration document. I'm showing you this first. So these are basically prints that I made for a eccentric brand for women's wear. So these are the mood boards.
So what is the part of making prints on like on computer, or you make it with hands mostly?
So I usually used to make it by hand and then transfer it digitally. But some of them, like these, I've done them digitally.
All right.
Yeah. So basically mood boards and prints.
So prints, making silhouettes, making collections, all are the integral part of knitwear design department. Now,
Right.
what Shubhangi is showing you is that what many of you ask me that what is the part of fashion in knitwear? Yes, fashion is a very integral part of knitwear design.
Yeah.
But surprisingly, when you will see the work she's doing now, you will feel that she's more like a graphic designer. And it's not that
Yeah.
graphic has not been taught in an IFT, but yes, she has made graphics as a mainstream career option. That's totally up to you guys that when you are going for knitwear design
Yeah.
department, you want to go for fashion, graphics, illustration, totally up to you. All right. So do you have anything else to show Shubhangi, or should I
Yeah.
share my screen?
I'll just show you one more.
Yes.
So these are some of the prints which I had made for, so these are basically colorways in one print. So this is a menswear brand, and they had taken the rights for Sticks and Stones, which is a band. And yeah, so these are just the colorways. Yeah, this is another internship that I did.
So this you did in second year.
Yeah.
So when you go for the company internship, what all you learn? What is the basic part of the?
So there's a lot. So basically, first you go and you see the visual merchandising, you see the shops, you see the stores. If there's no stores, then you look at the e-commerce, you see the website, you see how the website is telling about their brand. So branding is a very big part of the knitwear design course as well. So yeah, I'll just show you some pictures. So this is basically visual merchandising, some research that I had done.
So as per my thought process, that knitwear focus a lot on retail, because
knitwear does focus a lot on retail, yes.
Because when we talk about knitwear, when you go to any store, you go to Pramod, you go to Zara, you will see that everything hanging on the shelf. So they also work a lot on visual merchandising. Visual merchandising means that how you are creating that space easy for the customers.
How you're displaying your product.
So display plays a very important role in knitwear design department.
So this is just research, and then
So
this is the factory visit.
So guys, whenever you meet any knitwear design student, you will see that they are doing work very practically because their
Yeah.
clientele is not the high-end BMW 5 Series people who will be
It's the
coming to the
masses.
store, but the mass. So
Yeah.
knitwear works a lot on practical fashion. Knitwear works a lot on that. Their clientele is a student who is in class 7 to a student who is going to college, and the people like us who are working in the industry. So they have something to offer to everyone.
Right.
All right, so there is a lot of research behind all the students who are the part of knitwear design. And okay, Shubhangi, so now without wasting time, I want to show them
Yeah.
the work you are doing now.
Sure.
All right, so you can stop the share so that I can share my screen and
Yeah.
further they can ask the questions they want to ask. I am sure that all these kids must be very confused between knitwear and must be very confused between what they have to choose. Like उनका पहला ही क्वेश्चन होता है सर फैशन डिजाइन छोटे सेंटर से करें या नेटवर्क डिजाइन बड़े सेंटर से करें एनीवेज उसमें तो मैं नहीं पढ़ता हूँ लेकिन what I always suggest that go for the department where you actually feel that you are connecting. So you can see my screen, guys.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So Shubhangi, so all these works have been done by you. So like this is the proper graphics. So I have done the packaging, correct?
I've done the packaging. I've done this content, like I've made the post and everything. So I'll tell you a little bit about how I got into all this. So I was very influenced by the craft sector during my third year, I think. Yeah. So craft cluster is something which you all will go through. It's a very interesting thing that NIFT offers. So I wanted to, I knew I had the forte for graphics, but I was very interested in the craft sector. So right after college, I went into the craft sector. I was working for an NGO and I was doing all their UI UX. I was doing their website management and everything. So this is not part of that. This is way before that. But so this is when I went into, right after college, I went into a digital marketing agency, and that's where I did all these flat lays for them, this post making, post creation, lifestyle shots, things like that.
Okay. So basically, this you have done in college or after college?
After college, all of this is after college.
All right. So what about this, the Color Fit Pro thing? So you have.
This is current. This is what I'm doing now.
I don't know why it's not opening. Behance is a very slow website these days.
Yeah, it is.
It takes 2 crore a year to upload. All right. So what is this project all about? The Color Fit.
So Color Fit Pro 3. So basically, this is visual design.
Non-noise.
Yeah, the company called Noise. So it's their visual design, and so basically they make smart watches and earbuds, wireless earbuds. So I was just basically creating the renders, making the posts for them, and also adaptations and offline collaterals. This is a UI project below. If you scroll down,
Okay.
this is the UI. This is the mobile UI for their product page. So I created this, and yeah.
So okay, so you have created all things. So guys, if you look at the work, अगर मैं आपको नहीं बताऊं कि शुभांगी ने नेटवर्क डिजाइन किया है तो आपको 2 मिनट को नहीं लगेगा कि ये नेटवर्क डिजाइन के स्टूडेंट का काम है. But yes, this is NIFT for you. NIFT is in my last.
This is, yeah, very wholesome. You get to learn so much. Plus, you have elective subjects as well. So if you find that you find something else interesting, then please go for that. Please go for that other department's subject which you want to take up.
So basically, I also always suggest them that NIFT in itself is a brand where you actually not only working on the thing which you want to do, but you will learn 100 other things which no one knows that कि ये भी opportunity होता है NIFT through. All right. So guys, so I won't be taking your much time. Yes, Shubhangi, you are here. Yes. Okay. So guys, if you have any question, you are free to ask. Next 15 minutes, I'll be taking your questions. So what all questions you want to ask, then just raise your hand and ask the question. कल मत पूछना मुझसे कि सर ये बताओ नेटवर्क के बारे में. Anything you want to ask, you can raise your hand. Yes, Bhavni.
Yes, so I just wanted to ask, does knitwear like give you an opportunity for more graphics than other departments? Like you said that we're going to be doing it in other departments as well as like leather design or any other department. Like, but you really emphasized in knitwear that we're going to do a lot of graphics. So like, is there a difference?
There's no difference. I think graphic design is a very big part of every department. Like I said, all the assignments, everything, whether it's presenting a small presentation also, or everything you end up making on either Illustrator or InDesign just because you're a design student. So I think graphic design is like ABCs of design. It's very important to learn that, because it's a very big part of, even if you're in fashion design, it's become a way of communication for designers.
Yes, but yes, I'll be adding on that now I see the work of all the students graduating from all the departments. I feel that after fashion communication, accessory design and knitwear design, there's a lot of graphics. Both
That's
the
true.
departments need to learn graphics a lot. So graphics will be like computer graphics will be the integral part of accessories and knitwear. You
Yeah.
can skip the complete graphics in textile if you want, but still textile also you have to learn, but not with the level what accessory and knitwear people will be doing.
That's true. Yeah.
So, okay, one question that I got a lot of, they ask me a lot of time that if it's a garment, you will be only working on knits or you will be working on other fabrics as well?
So that's a good question. I think during my course, you do work with a lot of wovens as well, because even when you're learning garment construction or pattern making, your base, your mock garment is always woven, because it's easier to drape and it's easier to work with. So you do work with that, but apart from that also, you can have a combination of, like, if you're making a collection, you can have a combination of wovens and knits or leather, whatever you want. But yes, it should revolve around knits.
Yes.
I believe, yeah.
Okay, Shubhangi, tell me one thing. That
Yeah.
अगर मैं अभी आपके बैच के 5 लोग और को बुला लूंगा और पांचों अलग काम कर रहे होंगे, so सबका अपना आउटपुट अलग अलग है. So आपके बैच में सबसे ज्यादा लोग को किस तरफ इंक्लिनेशन था? They've gone for fashion field, they've gone for graphics, or they've gone for styling in your batch?
In my batch, I would say 20% have gone for styling, and the rest have gone for fashion, for mainstream fashion, retail, buying, and merchandising.
Okay. You have learned so much of graphics apart from what NIFT has taught you.
Yeah.
What are the source that students should look that if they want to learn the graphics extra, अगर उनको अलग से सीखना है, कहाँ से सीख सकते हैं?
So definitely my favorite one is Skillshare. I think Skillshare is a very great platform, especially for digital practices. So Skillshare is my top. Otherwise, of course, there are people who teach, and I know, sir, even in design circle, there are people who teach graphic design and Photoshop and editing and things like that. So it's all about if you want to do it if you want to do a self study, then Skillshare, I think, is the best resource.
Okay. What are the other subjects, if you can name few, the major subjects in second and third year which is being taught to students in knitwear design? What are the major modules you remember?
So there is hand flat knitting, there is computerized knitting, garment construction, pattern making, and design research is another one. So that is, I think it's not both the years, I think it's only 1 year, but it is a big part. It's a very different subject than all the others, because it teaches you about researching and things like forecasting and things like that.
All right. So fashion forecasting plays a very important role in knitwear design also.
Yes, definitely. Fashion forecasting is a very big part of it. Even in the WGSN forecast, you see there's a separate section called knits and jerseys. So
guys, fashion forecasting is something we always, it's a Bible for us.
Yeah.
So if you are designing garment, you always have to see the fashion forecasting, and trust me, it's not easy to get. Fashion forecasting is only something very few
Very few.
privileged people can access, and that's NIFT, where you can access the complete WGSN for the future and all the previous editions, because NIFT has a subscription for that. All right, brilliant. So Shubhangi, okay, you have told about the subject, you have told about that the core will be the fabric, core will be the knitted, जो हमारा base fabric है वो proper, मतलब बाकी तो होगा ही होगा, लेकिन knitwear भी major part होगा. So now this is a very silly question, that if a student have to go for post graduation after knitwear, so should they go for fashion, or should they go for communication, or should they go for management? Because a lot of kids says the अगर हम knitwear design करेंगे तो क्या मेरा fashion का तो criteria fulfill नहीं होगा? मैं तो हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि पूरा fulfill होगा. So what do you think that if you are going for a post graduation, what are the areas your friends have gone into in post graduation after doing knitwear design?
So I have a friend, she has gone into postgrad into textiles. So she has gone from knits to textiles, but I think honestly, knitwear is just a part of textile design.
Yes.
And yeah, and it is just a part of fashion design as well. So
Right.
it's very wholesome. I think knitwear is, even I was very scared and apprehensive at first, that, what is knits? I want to go to textile design. I wanted textile design. But then I realized that, they're all interlinked. All of these departments are interlinked.
So textile and knitwear is absolutely close. Both the departments, like if I've studied in NIF Delhi, दोनों department एक ही floor पे, और हम लोग लगभग same ही classrooms use करते थे. Same faculty से हम लोग डांट खाते थे. Same faculty से हमारे sheets फाड़ते थे.
Bridge.
Fashion and textile, knitwear and textile is quite close and quite connected.
Yeah.
Okay, Shreya, what do you want to ask?
Hi Shubhangi, I just wanted to ask, when you transition to graphics, so when you apply for jobs, is it easier, or like in graphics usually people say that they only see your portfolio? So when you have your degree in knitwear and applying for graphics, how does it work really?
So that's what I was explaining a while back, that that's how I transitioned. So first I was very interested in the craft sector, and then I went into the craft sector, and I basically amalgamated both those things: knits, my knowledge of knits, my knowledge of textiles, and my knowledge of graphics. And then slowly and gradually my portfolio started building so strongly in graphics that I shifted. I shifted like 2 jobs after that until I landed here where I am. So now I can finally say that, I'm a hardcore graphic designer or a hardcore UI designer. So yes, it does take time. Of course, it does take time. But I think, honestly, if I had started before college ended, then I would have immediately gone into the graphics field. So that's what I would just suggest, that as soon as you get into college, if you find out that what you're good at and what your forte is, just stick to it. Like, even if you have to do fashion, and even if you are doing fashion, it's fine. I think it's just a plus. At the same time, just keep honing your skills on what you are interested in and keep networking that way. And I think you'll get where you want to after 4 years.
Yeah,
Okay.
in fact, I'll also add on that, Shreya, that if we are getting into NIFT, definitely one thing is sure, that in whichever area you are doing your major will be your forte, but definitely in the industry, no one see your degree after 2-3 years. They just see your portfolio, that okay, you have done these many projects. तो इसीलिए हम लोग हमेशा बोलते हैं स्टूडेंट्स को, जिनको अपना फील्ड चेंज करना है, कि आप कॉलेज खत्म होने के बाद इमीडिएटली मत सोचो कि मैं इंडस्ट्री में जाऊंगा, जॉब मिलेगी, पैसे कमाऊंगा. कम से कम 1 साल अपने आप को पहचानने में लग जाता है, और वो जो आप पहचानते हो, वो पोर्टफोलियो रियल पोर्टफोलियो होता है जो आप इंडस्ट्री में शो करते हो. So definitely NIFT is a 4-year course, but in actual life it's a 5-year course. This is what I feel, that 4 year is just to learn everything, and 5th year is to explore yourself in the industry. All right, anyone want to ask any other question? All right, so my last question to you, Shubhangi, is that how important is the exposure of fashion in the field of knitwear? Like, if someone is going to a center like Kannur, if someone is going to a center like Rai Bareli, where there is knitwear, but yes, like कितना fashion oriented है, मतलब जैसे fashion design में it's very important to have the exposure of the city, but knitwear design is a lot equipment based course also. So is it very important to stay in the city like Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore and do knitwear, or you can learn knitwear from any city and explore and you can do well in your life? I think we lost you.
The biggest asset. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear you.
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you.
All right. Is it better?
Yeah.
Okay. I think the biggest asset we all have today is the internet. And I think even if you're in Raebareli or somewhere, I think you can definitely keep up with the trends. Also, NIFT Resource Center is very strong. So that way you are completely in sync with the rest of the college. But yeah, you need to keep exploring, keep seeing the trends worldwide, keep looking at WGSN, and yeah, I think that's the main thing.
In fact, even
And I think since if you're in NIFT, I just feel it's now in your destiny that you own style.
Yeah.
So that's how it happens. That's how your journey starts and that's how it ends.
Okay, guys, even I think that definitely centers matter a lot, but it doesn't mean that if you're going to any other center, you are going to Chennai, you are going to Kolkata, you will be learning anything less than a Delhi or a Bombay student. Just that how you are a very less complaining student and explore as much as you can in the field of fashion knitwear. So like if you go to Bihar also, it's not the only the Patna. They have so many cities. Like there are so many students who are studying in Patna and doing much better, and they're getting much more exposure than a Delhi student because they are on their feet and they're exploring the state on their foot and they're learning from the weavers, artisans, craftsmen. So art is everywhere in India. So if you want to learn, definitely you can learn from all the places. But good to know that Shubhangi, now you have shifted your career, and I'm sure a student must be shocked. Okay, she's a knitwear design. So I said that to show that what a knitwear design student doing in knitwear field is the something you can of course expect. But I wanted you to meet her because a knitwear student can go into the field of knits as well as get into the field of graphics as well as get into the field of styling. So knitwear has something to offer for everyone if you want to stay in the. But yes, one thing is sure that fashion will be the core of knitwear. Correct. You can't skip fashion.
Yeah. Maybe
Great.
after college, but not during college.
Yes. So thank you so much, Shubhangi. Thank you so much, guys, for being here. Thank you, Shubhangi, and all the best for what you are doing, and all the best for the future. And stay in touch with me.
Yes,
definitely. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. And now, all the best for your counseling. And if you have any doubt,
all the best, guys.
Thank you. Good night.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank you.